Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to enable mobile gaming on TikTok. The first thing you have to There are steps that you have to take. The first step is to ensure that you have latest version of TikTok on your device. The second step is to make sure you have up to 1,000 followers on your device. If you don't have up to 1,000 followers, minimum of 1,000 followers on your TikTok, and it's not going to be easy for you to live stream. You're not going to have the option for you to live stream on your device. So the next thing is that you're going to be live streaming steadily. If you have if you have up to 1,000 followers, you're going to live stream steadily. The next thing is for you to click on the plus icon found below the button of your screen. If you are sure that you have a latest version and you already have 1,000 followers minimum, you just click on the plus icon in order to live stream. You're going to see the option for you to go live. The next thing you have to do is to click on mobile gaming and click and type in your title. On this option, just type in your title, then select the particular game that you want to play. All these are game, but any of them you play should be downloaded on your phone, either through Play Store or App Store. The next one is to ensure that you have the game on your phone. I've said that before. Then the next thing is to click on go live, and then you are going to so when you click on go live, you're going to read the instruction. TikTok is going to record you as you play your game, but if you don't have up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok account, you will not be able to go live or even live stream a game on TikTok. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.